Head and shoulders. We're getting Arab money. We're getting Arab money. Ho! 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 And again, let's go.
Hey, bro.
Nigga! Yo, this is Jonelle. As Jonelle, nigga.
I think you want to moderate your use of the word, bro. It's not fucking cool, all right?
Listen, are we gonna do this or what? I'm on the fucking clock, man.
Chill, baby. Get into it. Feel it. Let's go. Ho!
Yo, what's wrong with you, man?
Nothing wrong with me, homeboy. I'm going to build the biggest fucking building in this fucking town! The biggest. My name will go down in history.
Yeah, I don't doubt that, man. What you want?
Well, I heard from a friend that we can get some real hardware. Bit like the chopper, but better, partner. Better.
Yeah, I don't think I can handle any more of that shit, partner.
I'm talking something seriously intense. How about a motherfucking news tank? Give it up, bro. Come on. Come on!
Hey, what you need a news tank for, man? What are you, crime fighting now?
I want it. Come on, baby, you and me, doing our tank thing, just rolling like some Desert Storm niggas. Huh? Ooh, Chinese person. Bye-bye, nigga.
You fucking ridiculous, man.
Hey, man. Money, is it money? Is that money you want? Here, have it. But come on, let's go get this thing. Come on, baby, get up, come on. Let's go again, to the left. And we got Arab money. Come on, baby. We got Arab money.
Yusuf!
Oh, Papa! What are you doing here? Welcome, Papa. This is my business associate, Mr.
Luis.
Mr. Luis. Allah, he is the greatest technical advisor in the whole city. And this is his wife, Jaundice.
Careful, motherfucker!
Yes, and you know, we were just having a little creative meeting and things went a bit crazy and I somehow lost my pants. But you know, Papa, I tell you, you're looking very well, in fact.
I knew how disgraceful you were, but I didn't realize quite how shameful you were.
No, Papa, things are not how they look.
Things do not look good, son.
Don't judge a book by its cover, Father. That's what you taught me.
When a book is called guns, drugs, hookers, and no pants, I think I don't need to read it.
Well, Papa, you know, these people, they mean nothing to me. In fact, they're just going. Go, get out. You, Mr. Lewis, take your wife, Mrs. Lewis, and may I say, Madame, this is not a very appropriate way for a married woman to dress. I told them many times, Father, this is a disrespectful way to dress. Do they listen to me? No, never. And you, by the way, I'll text you in about 1 minute about the tank, okay?
The news tank?
Shh! Go and leave right now. And don't you dare come back without knocking first. These people are a disgrace, Papa. But I tell you, moving swiftly on, you will be very proud of my plans I want to show you for the Imperial Amir Towers. I tell you, Papa, magisterial doesn't do justice to it.
Yusuf?
Luis, I think I can give old Papa Duck the slip. Meet me in Star Junction.
Really, bro?
I'm coming, Dada. Just hold on. See you soon, my friend.
Please make a U-turn where safe. In 400 yards, turn right. In 100 yards, turn left. You have arrived.
Where's your father then?
Dada's meeting some bankers in the exchange. Luckily for us, this stuff is too serious for Yusuf to be invited. Thinks I'm waiting for him in the lobby.
Yeah, parents, man.
Tell me about it. They think they can run your life. I'm old and ugly enough to take care of myself.
Ugly? Yeah. Old? Sure.
What is that hole in the tank? I must have one.
It's an airplane, bro. Do me a favor, will you? Just fucking buy one, okay? No stealing.
But don't worry, man. I got these controls again. You must shoot out the tank support. Then we will go right down. Free to go. Nothing, Luis. Only 2 more. Being by a tank. On the way! Go after her, man!
Attack in progress on Noose air transport. Units respond. Dispatch air unit from Outlook Ponte. Luis, you got it!
Yeah, bro. But the cops are all over me.
Haha! Good thing you're in a motherfucking tank!
It's just a news tank, bro.
Who gives a shit, player? Bring her back to the site! You don't have an army of LCPD trailing you back when you do! Clean those shitheads off!
Hey, I'll try. Yusuf, bro. Where you at, man?
Over here, man!
Where?
Up here, motherfucker! Shit! Stand back while I pick this thing up!
Okay, man.
Thanks for everything, bro! You're a fucking diamond!
Don't mention it.